how to change your fantasy Premier League formation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to switch to a 3-4-3 or maybe a full defense with 5-3-2, well, in this video I will show you how you can change the fantasy Premier League formation in seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the Fantasy tab. And now here, under the Fantasy, you can just tap on Pick Team button or the Transfer button. Either one works for changing your formation. And now here, once you see the interface like this, to change your formation, you can swap players from one position to another position. And with that, for example, if you drag the midfielder from your bench, you can substitute it with the another player too. Easy as that. And the system will automatically adjust the formation based on the valid rules. And here you need at least 3 defenders, 2 midfielders, and 1 forward on the pitch so you can only play with the legal formation. And here, once you're happy with the new formation, you can just tap on confirm button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen, to save your team. And that's it. That's how you can change your FPL formation like a pro. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.